Possibly thinking of selling your house? Naturally, the priority would be to get a higher price. To achieve this, you must not think like a seller, but like a buyer. This will enable you to optimize conditions such that the value of the house increases substantially. The cornerstone is that visibility adds value. However, it must be done subtly so that it does not raise the appraised value or property tax bill. Here are 10 simple ideas to maximize the selling price. 1. Focus on the exterior first. This is what potential buyers notice. Give priority to home improvements that are visible to the naked eye. Fixing the facade will get you a better price than ensuring the foundation is solid. 2. Spruce up the yard and garden. If there are signs of neglect, most buyers will not even step in. Create a presentation. Make sure there are no tires or wood lying around and any loose shutters or storm drains and gutters are properly fixed. 3. Landscape. This does not mean you need to spend on a redesign. Prune hedges, trees and shrubs. Weed flower beds and paint old pots. 4. The roof. Have it power cleaned. Statistics reveal that 30% curb appeal is a sparkling roof. 5. Refresh the interior. Repaint walls with the carpets and vinyl flooring replaced. Most buyers want to move in right away. Few would consider investing in a house where they need to get work done. 6. Spruce up the interiors. Sparkling windows, clean curtains, attractive upholstery, bright cushions, flowers on tables and a few paintings or photographs placed strategically make a room a home. It gives the place warmth and invites a person to take a look. 7. Pay attention to odors. What may seem fragrant to you may be repulsive to others. Invite a friend in to inspect on your behalf. Many find pet odors, smell of urine, sprays, insecticide, herbs, deodorants, incense, spices and so on repulsive. Often, cooked eggs or fried bacon smell tend to hang around the house. 8. Kitchen and bathrooms. Add a few friendly plants. Colorful towels and inexpensive fixtures or bric-a-brac. 9. Clean the house. Have the house cleaned from top to bottom. There should be no evidence of mold, mildew or leaks. 10. Furniture and lamps. If you have too much furniture or personal belongings of sentimental value, have them stored. Arrange furniture that makes sense and delivers a comfort feeling. Add a few lamps here and there to produce a warm glow. Never overspend or make changes that are not in keeping with the neighborhood. If handled cleverly, 80 to 90% of the costs of repair and sprucing up can be recovered. If emotions and sentiments cloud your judgment, seek professional help. Ask an interior designer or consultant to give you a few guidelines. The internet today is an invaluable source of information. Do some research which will clear your mind and give you direction. When in two minds, seek the advice of the local real estate agent who has property values at the tips of their fingers and a licensed appraiser who would know what is best. Please pass along your ideas and experiences in the comments.